walking by the road. One of them had a heart pure as gold. The sky was split, and the pure in heart raptured away. But one of the other one left behind, who did not purge his heart in time. Cry to the Lord, but for him it's too late. I pray we'll all be ready. I pray we'll all be ready. I pray we'll all be ready for his return. I pray that we'll get